Hi, this is Deep speaking. Clearly you can see that I already went through here, but I just want to have some fun and record what's in front of me. It's pretty thick. See all that snow? As you can tell, it's just the beginning of the pour. But I find it kind of fun, actually. I'm gonna run down the cul-de-sac in the snow. I want to see what it's like. Yeah! Woo! Oh, the snow's thick! I call this bad. They're right about the weather. It's pretty dangerous. If I keep going, I might have frostbites. When I say I'm going to run into the cul-de-sac, I'm saying I'm going to run into the cul-de-sac. Woo! You can see my footprint. Look at this. Woo! This is the way to have fun. I wish there was more people around to see me run. I'm barely running. Yeah! Well, this is Oklahoma.